Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be unboxing the Moxi Panther skate. I am finally upgrading my skates. It comes with a crab tool. It also comes with toe stops and the wheels. The wheels for this skate are a 58mm 78A wheel, and it is the Moxi glitter wheel from their lineup. It's really good for outdoors, especially if you're a beginner, but since I feel like I'm not a complete beginner anymore, these wheels do move a little bit too slow for me. As for the inside, it does come with that same cheetah leopard print on the inside and the same tongue material that's also used on the Moxi Beach Bunny. As for fit, I do wear a size 8.5 inch shoe, so I did get these in a size 8 and they fit me perfectly. The only thing is there is still a little bit of room in the front and I can kind of feel myself sliding a little bit, but that's nothing that a shoe and sole won't fix. So this is like the perfect size. So right here I'm comparing the ankle support that it has. I'm not sure if it's because my beach bunnies are broken in, but the Panther skate definitely has a bit more sturdiness for the ankle support, which is great because that's always good to have. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you stick around to see my first impressions video. Bye!